Jai Swaminarayan. Dear devotees, many times you might have seen people applying various kinds of religious marks on their forehead. Based on their faith on God, Goddess and deities, they apply various kinds of religious marks on their forehead. But in Swaminarayan Faith, in Swaminarayan Sampradaya, we apply Chandan Tilak and Kumkum Tika on our forehead. Sometimes students in Shree Swaminarayan Gurukul ask to Swamiji that why do we apply Tilak-Tika on our forehead? What is the importance of Tilak-Tika? What are the benefits of Tilak-Tika? Dear devotees, there are a number of benefits of applying Tilak and Tika on our forehead. Like, it makes our thoughts pious, pure and positive. It helps us to control and focus our mind. It keeps our mind calm, composed and cool. It creates spiritual aura around us. And it also enables the Agna Chakra, which lies at the center of our forehead. And when it gets enabled, it creates spiritual powers to command and control the people. So these are the common benefits of applying Tilak-Tika on our forehead. But today I would like to tell you the 6 major benefits of Tilak-Tika, 6 powerful reasons to apply Tilak-Tika on our forehead. And believe me, if you go through these 6 powerful benefits of Tilak-Tika, you will start applying Tilak-Tika on your forehead every day after watching this video. So watch this video till the end carefully. Dear devotees, the first and foremost benefit of Tilak-Tika is it reminds our true identity and relationship with God. Have you ever thought, why do police officers wear a khaki uniform? Why do army soldiers wear an army uniform? Do they get more strength? Of course, no. Then why do they wear such kind of uniform? Such kind of dress uniform reminds them about their duties and responsibilities. When they realize their true identity, that who they are, they can fight for the nation, they can die for the nation. Dear devotees, make a sense. Our identity, our belief makes our behavior. When we apply Tilak and Tika on our forehead, it reminds us that we are the devotee of Bhagavan Swaminarayan. We belong to Bhagavan Swaminarayan. And it creates awareness to follow Dharma, to follow Panchvartman, to follow Sikshapatri and to perform devotion. And didn't you hear a story of lion's cub? Once a newly born lion's cub got mixed with the herd of goats. He lost his identity and he believed that I am a god, so he is behaving like a god. Once the lion has attacked the herd of goats, and along with the goats, this lion's cub also is scaring and running. Lion was surprised. He caught the lion's cub, brought to the river and showed his face in the water of the river. The lion said to him, "You also are a lion like me. You also can rule the jungle like me." The moment that lion's cub realized his true identity, that I am a lion king, he roared and shivered the jungle. The moment his beliefs changed, his attitude and behavior also changed completely. Similarly, when we believe ourselves as a devotee of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, our attitude and our belief also gets changed tremendously. When we believe that we belong to Bhagavan Swaminarayan, we are the sevak of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, we are the devotees of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, we behave as a devotee should behave. In this way, this belief stops our wrong behavior and attitude. Now the second benefit of Tilak-Tika is it protects our character and morality. As Tilak-Tika reminds us that we are a devotee of God, in the same way it also reminds others that he is a devotee of God, he is a religious person. Sometimes if we do something wrong, unknowingly, other people would stop us doing wrong. Just imagine for a moment, you have applied Tilak and Tika on your forehead and you are smoking a cigar, you are chewing a tobacco, you are drinking alcohol, you are speaking bad words, you are cheating people, you are taking bribes. Tell me what people would say. Think about it. What people would say if you will do in spite of having Tilak-Tika on your forehead. So dear devotees, in such kind of situation, Tilak-Tika will create the sense of shame. And the sense of shame makes us to behave right all the time. Thus, Tilak-Tika protects us from the addiction and immoral behaviors. Now, the third benefit of Tilak-Tika is God protects us from the disasters. Dear devotees, in Srimad Bhagavad Puran in the 10th canto, there comes the charitra of Lord Krishna and Kalinag. When Lord Krishna fought with the Kalinag and ordered him to leave Yamuna river, Kalinag requested to Lord Krishna that if I will get out from the Yamuna river, Garud will not spare me, he will definitely kill me. So to protect Kalinag, Lord Krishna danced on the heads of Kalinag, and due to that, the pious feet of Lord Krishna was imprinted on the heads of Kalinag. Afterwards, when Garud came to attack Kalinag, Garud saw the pious feet of his beloved Lord on the head of Kalinag. He did pranam and left Kalinag alive. Dear devotees, this Chandan Tilak represents the pious feet of God. When we apply on our forehead, God takes our responsibility, and no Kal Karma Maya can trouble us. Dear devotees, now let me tell you the real incident that how Tilak-Tika protects us from the disaster. There was a devotee of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, namely Narsingh Patel, who was from Valbipur in the district of Bhavnagar in Gujarat. He was working as a government engineer in Bhavnagar. Once, for some kind of work, he went to the Assam. And after finishing his work, he was returning back to the Gujarat. Along with his few colleagues, they were traveling by car and they were passing through the dense jungle of Assam. But all of a sudden, somebody shot the wheel of the car. Wheel got punctured. Car stopped. These all people came out from the car. Within no time, number of robbers appeared from the jungle and they surrounded these people. And they started beating and looting these people. Meanwhile, the gang leader saw this Tilak and Tika on the forehead of Narsingh Patel. Gang leader stopped robbers and said that, "Don't trouble this guy. He seems a devotee of God. If we will trouble him, we will be in more trouble. And go somebody and drop him to the nearest approach road so that he can reach to his destination." And thus, Narsingh Patel was taken away from there. Afterward, these robbers looted these all other colleagues and disappeared in the jungle. This Narsingh Patel was so much grateful and thankful to Bhagavan Swaminarayan. He thought that without having darshan of Bhagavan Swaminarayan in Gadpur Swaminarayan temple, I will not drink the water. So before he went to his home, he went to the Gadpur, he had the darshan of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, and afterwards he drank the water. So dear devotees, in this way, Tilak-Tika protects us from the danger and disaster. When we apply Tilak-Tika on our forehead, God takes our responsibility and He saves us from all these dangers and disasters. Now the fourth benefit of Tilak-Tika is one never suffers poverty and leads a stable economic life. Dear devotees, this Kumkum Tika is the symbol of Lakshmiji, and Lakshmiji is the personified form of wealth and prosperity. One who respects Lakshmiji by applying Kumkum Tika on his forehead, he will get the divine grace of Lakshmiji and he will never suffer poverty in his life. But you may be surprised to know that the nature of Lakshmiji is fickle. That means the nature of wealth and prosperity is fickle. It comes and it goes. It increases, it decreases. Lakshmiji is fickle. but the Lakshmiji along with the god is stable. That means one who applies Tilak and Kumkum Tika both on his forehead, that means Lakshmiji along with the god, Lakshmiji will be stable in your life. Wealth and prosperity will be stable in your life. So one who applies Tilak and Tika both on his forehead, he never suffers poverty and leads a stable economic life. Now the fifth benefit of Tilak-Tika is very much important for the human relationship, that it builds trust within people. When you apply Tilak and Tika on your forehead, people believe that you are a religious person, you are a gentleman, you are a trustworthy person. People respect you, people believe you, people treat you well. By seeing Tilak-Tika on your forehead, they have quite positive impression about you. Dear devotees, we have come across many such kind of incidents which proves the positive impression of Tilak-Tika. Let me share one of the real incidents with all of you. Dhirubai Kottadia, an alumni of Shree Swaminarayan Gurukul Rajkot. In 1986, he went to the South Korea, Seoul, the capital of South Korea, to purchase some material. He reached to one company and he gave the order to manufacture the material. But you know, when company will accept your order to manufacture material, either you give advance payment or you give letter of credit. But while dealing this company people, they did not ask for any advance payment or they did not even ask for the letter of credit. Dhirubai gave the order, they manufactured. After 3 months, his material was ready. Dhirubai went to the South Korea again and he made the payment and he took the material from there. But Dhirubai asked to him, the person who was dealing with him, his name was Mr. Kim. Dhirubai asked to Mr. Kim that, how did you trust me? Based on what you have accepted my order without any advance payment and LC? Then that person, Mr. Kim, replied to Dhirubai that I trusted you because of dot on your forehead. I felt that you are a trustworthy person. This is the glory of Tilak-Tika. Now the last and sixth benefit of Tilak-Tika is very much interesting, especially for the students and youngsters. That when you apply Tilak and Tika on your forehead, you look good. When you apply proper Tilak and Tika on your forehead, you look good. People like you. People accept your personality. No matter how ugly your face is, but your face will change after applying Tilak and Tika on your forehead. So dear devotees, apply Tilak-Tika on your forehead and look always good to others. So these are the 6 major benefits of Tilak-Tika and 6 powerful reasons to apply Tilak-Tika on your forehead. But you may be having doubt that does Tilak-Tika really work like this? Dear devotees, tell me, can you enjoy the taste of sweets without tasting it? Can you enjoy the fragrance of flowers without smelling it? Can you enjoy the music without listening to it? Similarly, you cannot experience the benefits of Tilak-Tika without applying it. But there is one more important thing to understand. We have observed that many devotees apply Tilak-Tika on their forehead only in the morning. Afterwards, when they wash their face, they don't apply it again. But dear devotees, if you are a proud devotee of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, then you must apply Tilak-Tika on your forehead for the whole day. You cannot experience these benefits just by applying once in a day, just applying once in a week, or just by applying occasionally. You will experience these all benefits when you apply Tilak and Tika on your forehead for the whole day. So dear devotees, let's all of us apply Tilak and Tika on our forehead every day and for the whole day, and let's experience the magic of Tilak-Tika in our day-to-day life. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.